Hello fellow brawlmen and welcome back to our Brawl Unite video. So Brawl Talk just dropped and today I'm going to describe the Brawl Talk in detail and telling you guys if this update was good. So guys, now let's start by talking about the new environment. So the new environment is called Poco's Bandstand. It is basically a Mexican carnival. This environment is also the home of the newest brawler called Amber. She's a legendary and she's all about fire. She completes the Mexican trio with Poco and El Primo. She's also an entertainer with Poco and El Primo. We have a new environment in which there are a lot of related things such as El Branchador, the best place to grab branch, El Primo's boxing ring, Poco's stage where he performs his musical performance, and a place where Amber shows her fiery tricks to impress everybody. I'm soon going to do a Brawl Theory video regarding this Mexican theme. By the way, thanks for the support on the last Brawl Theory video. Now let us talk about Amber. Guys, my prediction was correct. We now have a fire brawler. She's a brawler that spits fire out of her mouth. She has a brand new mechanic in which she has only one ammo bar, and as long as she aims it, she will deplete fire. I think she's quite broken. I think Supercell will balance and maybe decrease her attack damage. Her super is throwing a bottle of oil at her enemies, and the bottle stays there for some time, and she can ignite it using her basic attack. Am I now have some ideas for Amber's gadget. So I think one can be that she can detonate her super instantly, not as soon as Bo, because like Bo was broken, and I think they're going to rework the gadget which I am going to talk in the further video. Then I have a guess for Amber Star Power. Her super only does 700 damage, so like it can the Star Power can increase the damage dealt by the super. Then the second star power's idea is all other teammates who have fire in their abilities can also ignite a super. Like for example, El Primo, his star power El Fuego has some fire. So if he uses his super on uh, uh, on Amber super, then it will deal additional damage. Her second star power, she gets an additional 500 damage per tick to her super. Now I have taken out some stats from the Brawl Talk, and now I'm going to tell you those, and I'm also going to write them here so you can view them. Her stats are as follows: health 4620, range similar to Crow, reload speed slow, not accurate, will tell you the exact one after the update. Damage 12,000 in 4 seconds, needs to be nerfed. Super damage 700 per tick. If you according to my star power, then it is 1200 per tick. Walk speed, she's quite fast, similar to Crow. Best game modes, I think it will be Gem Grab, Brawl Ball, probably highest ton of damage output and Siege. I think like she is very good in covering specific parts of the in Siege she can control the area where the bolts are being spawned, and which is very good. Like somebody a bolt spawned, and then she can throw her super, and if somebody comes over it, then she can use her basic attack and ignite it. By the way, the limited footage shown in Brawl Talk is always subject to change. Probably she is not that quite broken as I think. Her fire will be hard to aim, and not all the fire will be able to be aimed at the opponents. Now let us talk about skins. Underworld Bow. 150 gems. This is just a not confirmed, it is just speculation. I think they've put a ton of work on the skin. Zombie. I think this is also 150 gem. I think the custom zombie that she throws as her bubble and her artwork is definitely worth 150 gems. They both are seasonal skins and are not as limited as other Brawlovine skins. 5 new true silver and true gold skins for Bull, Barley, Rico, Mortis and Frank. If you have a ton of gold, you can buy these skins, but I will not recommend as it will slow down your progression. Only buy these skins if you have a maxed out account. Brawlovine Rosa for free if you win the Brawlovine challenge, and some exclusive pins that you can only get after winning the challenge and never again. But the Rosa skin will be out for sale in the shop after some time. I think it will cost 150 gems. Brawlovine challenge. I will tell you all the strategies to snag up those pins as well as the ultimate Rosa skin for free. The challenge will provide gold and some star points as well. Now we can now customize much more types of pins, the custom brawler pins as well as the standard pins for every single brawler. Again, this is just speculation and not confirmed. There are also the Brawl Stars Championship for 2020. Be sure to check the Brawl Stars Championship on the Brawl Stars Esports YouTube channel to find out more nasty strategies as well as to enjoy and improve your gameplay. To support these players, there are some limited pins and a new code skin called Challenger Code. The proceeds from these offers will support the prize pool of the World Championship up to 1 million USD. So buy the skin only if you like it. So if you buy the skin with free gems, so no proceeds will go to the prize pool of the Brawl Stars Championship. Only buy the skin if you like it. But if you purchase them using real money, the proceeds will go to the prize pool of the Brawl Stars Championship. I know I have said Brawl Stars Championships a lot of time. You guys can roast me down in the comments below. Be sure to use a creator code before buying anything in the shop using gem. For example, I use code LEX. Please use the creator code. It really helps the creator. It will help them to create content for you guys without you spending a single dime. Now let us talk about the teleporter. This is a brand new object on certain maps. Using these teleporters, you can teleport across the maps. It seems that these teleporters have a cooldown before you can use them. It is like you will move from a green teleporter to the other green teleporter, which I can only assume to be that the red teleporter takes to the other red teleporter and the other blue teleporter takes to the other blue teleporter. Now let us talk about Graveyard Shift. It is an old game mode in Showdown in which you can constantly lose health and regain health when you damage or kill an enemy. I will also do a video describing and explaining Graveyard Shift in detail. Now let us talk about second gadgets. So there are 10 of them, but in Brawl Talk they only showed 4 of them. So let us break them down. They might be working on the other 6 gadgets. Colt. I think Colt's gadget is that he loads a big bullet into his gun and shoots it. Uh, the bullet that deals a lot of damage and breaks grass and walls as well. Nita. I think Nita's gadget gives her bear a shield while her bear is active. Max. I think that she drops an energy potion on the ground and her teammates get a speed up when they claim it. BB. I think that her bubble gets bigger or it does more damage than usual. Bull. I think it strikes the ground and all nearby enemies get slowed. It seems that Bo's gadget is getting a rework. Now his gadget makes the mine much more big and if you see on the left hand corner, Bo is the one who gets the kill. Don't forget to claim your season 1 rewards or they will be auto collected after the next Royal Pass. I don't know how power points will be collected. Maybe they will be collected by the measure of 1 power point is equal to 2 gold. Now let us talk about the in-game map maker. This map maker is a unique feature and now you guys will be able to create your own maps and play them with bots or friends in friendly game rooms. But now it is only on beta and they will continue to add more features to it in the future. I will also be doing a video making my own maps and telling you guys some tips and tricks to create your own map. So second thing, I am also going to like create a very unique map. I'm going to collaborate with somebody else and it will be a very fun thing and you guys will definitely enjoy it. So it was it for this Brawl Talk, and I think we are getting a lot of things in this update. And I'm also going to do a 100% honest update review talking about the update and the state of the game. That video will be very important. Be sure to watch that video, guys. I'm also like in that video, I'm going to talk about the state of the game, like what the game still needs, and was it update very good. This update was really good. I rate this update at 10 out of 10. The team put a lot of effort in creating things exciting and fresh for all of us. Till the time, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your brawlmen. Stay tuned.